Hi friends, the question shown in the screen is a previous year CAT question, but before discussing this question, I am discussing a property of 3-digit number. Let's suppose a 3-digit number is 823, then its reverse is 328, and if we subtract it, this is 5, 9, 495. Take another example, 927, 729, this will be 198. If we watch this, then 495 is divisible by 99 as well as 198 is also divisible by 99. Then this is the property of any 3-digit number. When we will subtract a 3-digit number by its reverse, then that number, the result, is always divisible by 99. And when we will divide it by 99, we get 5 and we get 2. Then this 2 is the difference of 9 and 7. This 5 is the difference of 8 and 3. Therefore, when if we want to generalize this concept, then this will be equal to x minus z. Then we can say that when we will divide the result by 99, then we will get the difference of unit digit and 100th digit. Now coming on to the question. The question is this: suppose A is a 3-digit number, it is equal to A, B and C, and B is also a 3-digit number, it is C, B and A. And in the question it is said that B is greater than A, then it is possible only when this C is greater than A. Hence the first conclusion is C is greater than A, and the second one is it is said that B minus A is perfectly divisible by 7, but we already know that the difference B minus A is already divisible, always divisible by 99, and from the question it is also divisible by 7. That's why B minus A is factor of 99 as well as the factor of 7. B is a 3-digit number and A is also a 3-digit number. Therefore, their difference will be a 3-digit number or a 2-digit number or a single-digit number. But 99 into 7, 693, is already a 3-digit number. Therefore, the difference cannot be 2-digit or single-digit. And another thing is that there is no other factor possible, because if B is multiplied by minimum value of 2, then it will be a 4-digit number, and this is not possible. Therefore, we can say that B minus A is equal to 693, and we will divide it by 99, we will get 7. And what is 7? We have already discussed. The 7 is C minus A. Now coming on to the possibilities that A, B and C. If C is 9, then to maintain difference 7, A should be 2. If C is 8, then A should be 1. And there is no other possible values other than these two. And minimum possible value of A is when B is here 0 and when B is here 9. So minimum possible value of A is 108 and maximum possible value is 299. Therefore, the correct answer is option number B, which satisfies this equality. Option number B, A, can also be true if here it is less than equal to, but here is less than, that's why this option is rejected. Therefore, the correct answer is option number B. A is greater than 106 and less than 305. Thank you.